plant, guys.
Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
That's so goofy. Nah.
We need a script.
Yeah.
Put like some paper in there. I'm tired.
Hey everybody, my name is Anwin and this is Abby and we both work here at Deb's Greenhouse. And today, oh, there's dirt in my eyeball.
Restart as many times as you
No, that's okay.
Your videos are great. I just told your son he did, him and his son did it.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna restart that one.
We can just like keep.
Hi, I'm Ryder. I'm Deb's son.
I'm Ty.
And we both work at Deb's Greenhouse.
And today we're making a what planter? Full sun planter.
We're making a full sun plant.
We're making a full.
And this is our living wall.
Nervous. Okay.
Don't be nervous. It's
There's
just
no rush.
Yeah, just random.
Okay.
I think we gotta like boom, flash the tag. You know what I'm saying?
Geranium. Boom. Yeah.
Dude, we had to we gotta make this shit like explosive.
What up?
You're just gonna be like, what up?
Hey yo.
Okay, now I can say it.
Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
Hi everyone, it's Easton's greenhouse. It's always funny.
It's super funny.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, I'm Ryder. That's exactly what your sister does.
These love shade, and they're edible, so you can put them on like cakes and stuff. They're really pretty. They don't taste like anything though.
Hey everyone, we're back. It's Ryder and Tyler. Today, okay, sorry, I totally forgot. This is so hard.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, well thanks for joining us today. Bye from Deb's Greenhouse.
But from Easton's greenhouse, it's always really funny.
High five. Good job.
I'm nervous. Okay. Hi, it's Liv. Nope, not doing. I always mess up my name. That's the only thing I mess up on. I'll just say. Should I say Olivia? Maybe I've never seen. No.
No, say it's Liv. Say hi, I'm Liv.
Hi, it's Liv from Deb's Greenhouse. Don't worry, Mom will edit it. Bye. Bye. Go Oilers. Oh, this one's so cool. That's insane.
Yeah.
Sweet Caroline Red Hawk.
Sweet Caroline Red Hawk Ipamea.
You don't gotta say the Ipamea, dude.
It's an Ipamea. You have to say the name of the plant.
What is Ipamea? It doesn't say.
That plant is Ipamea.
Where does it say Ipamea?
This right there.
Okay, you say that.
Okay.
Should we fast motion it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna fast motion it.
Hello everyone, this is Ryder and Tyler back with part 3 of our planner videos. Today we're doing it. That's good. That works.
Today we're doing a shade planter.
We're gonna put the can in the middle, salvia on. Is this my left or your right? No, okay, whatever. This side, and then the.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Yeah, you say. Okay, wait, say it again because I was talking.
Okay.
Say. Okay, ready, go.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, there we go.
Cute.
That was only.
Hi guys. What am I even saying?
Okay.
What have you guys got? What do you got, Anwin? A box? An empty box.
I have a.
Oh, the hair flip. All right. Okay. Who's starting? I'll do that. I mean, we'll see our name. Okay, go.
Hi guys, it's Maya.
Gita and Harper.
Okay, well, we gotta start with the middle. We gotta go inside out.
Do we actually like, how do we put it in there?
Well, yeah, you just go.
Sounds weird. Okay, I'm restarting. I'm literally restarting.
Is that Brussels sprouts?
Hello everyone, where?
Okay.
Bye.
I said that's our basket.
Ready? Hi everyone, I'm Deb from Deb's Greenhouse.
Hi everyone, my name's Easton and I'm from Deb's greenhouse too.
Style. Your voice. Hi guys, it's Abby. No, wait, restart. There you go. Say it again. Okay, she'll probably like edit this.
you want to say? Okay, say bye.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Cute. So I'm gonna start with the creeping. Never mind. Pretend like I didn't say that. Cut that out.
Here, let's put the
We're
last
gonna
one
have
in.
to wash our hands after.
That's okay.
I'm Ryder.
I'm Ty. We're both employees at Deb's Greenhouse, and it's our second planter of the day.
Wait, what?
And then right now we're doing a
Right
window
now,
box. And we're gonna start off with
We're doing a window box planter. We're gonna start off with some petunias. Okay.
Is there anything I can do to assist you from this side? Like put the hangers on and hand it back?
Yeah, probably.
I'm Ryder, Deb's son, and I'm Ty.
Ryder's friend.
Ty, Ryder's friend. But that just sounds like I'm not even an employee.
Do you want to film it sideways? No.
No.
Okay.
We're gonna add 2 Allison Stream raspberries. Why you gripping it like that?
I sound like this.
Hi guys. No. Okay. Hi guys, it's Liv here from Deb's Greenhouse. Today I'm making a shade. No, what the heck?
This one's a shade planter, as requested.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
makes that sound famous.
Yeah.
Then for my main flower is this vigorous orange. What is this? Let me cut that part out because I want to look like I know what I'm doing. What the heck? Some pears. Okay, anyways.
Hi, I'm Ryder. I'm Deb's son,
I'm Ty.
and we both work at Deb's Greenhouse.
Today we're making a full sun planter.
These are so cool. I don't really like to touch them, and I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna be honest, but they're like fuzzy. They look like caterpillars. Okay, maybe just cut that whole part. Maybe don't say that. Okay, never mind. Okay, just cut that whole part out. This is good. Good. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry, Deb. This is really annoying to edit. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Both of our
And we can make
grandmothers
it and
dead.
you can decide.
I can't look at you in the
2-foot window box. Noted.
What?
Hi, I'm Ryder from Deb's Greenhouse. I'm Ty. You gotta say. No, you just say, hi, I'm Ryder, and I'll be like, I'm Ty.
Was I talking really fast? That's just the speed my brain goes at.
We're talking quite fast. I talk fast too.
We gotta sound like confident this time. Like we got with the Deb's Greenhouse, and this is our planter of the day.
Of the day. And this is our
Stay
planter. We need a
tuned.
name though. This is our planter, the
I'm Ty.
Like the Durablooms.
coming at you with another petunia. A sugar plum. A nice full one.
Bang. Okay, what did you say first?
Oh, I messed that one up. That's the worst one I've ever done.
And we're back.
Let's get straight into it. Requested. We gotta sound confident.
Yeah. Okay.
Not confused.
We can't like laugh right. We're just too serious.
It's too hot. Geranium, rose, and big eye. Nice green.
Wait, we can leave the intro in there. We can just get Mom to cut this.
Okay, you can be like, we're gonna start with.
Alright.
Okay, hold on.
Oh god.
It's fine, it's fine. You can just cut the beginning. Okay. Hey everybody, my name is Anwin and this is Abby and we both work here at Deb's Greenhouse. And today, this is a window basket pot, window box. No. Is that what it's called?
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready? Hi guys, it's Lila. No, my name's Liv. Sorry. Hi guys, it's no. Hold on. Give me 3 seconds. Okay, ready? Sorry, Deb. Start now. Hi guys, it's Liv. Let's say Lila. Okay, ready?
Lila.
This way. Hi guys, it's Liv.
And Lila.
Okay, wait, what am I saying? I'm Ty.
And why do we sell a lot of petunias in Western provinces?
Because they grow really well here.
The plant guys. we're just gonna have to put the middle piece in, and then we're gonna like squish all the other ones in.
These just started blooming and they look fake. Like that doesn't even look real. It's like neon.
We definitely should have talked about this before we started.
Okay, hold on. Let me get a closer video. Okay, do you want to say bye? Or do you want to say thanks for watching? Say this is our finished planter. Thanks so much for watching. And then just wait. I'll wait.
Hope you have a very nice day.
Yeah, say that. That's you want to say that? No?
Liv, you gotta.
Alright guys,
Okay, ready? Go. Thanks so much for watching.
thanks so much for watching. This is our planter. Bye guys.
Bye. Okay, great.
That's what I said.
High five.
10 out of
I'm
10.
making a video.
To Gen Z.
Part 3 of the what?
The plant, guys.
Part 2.
You got long ass hours.
No, man.
Mine are long, but yours are long.
What are we gonna say? This isn't that hard.
Okay, oh my goodness. We have matching hoodies.
I know. Okay, ready?
Look at us.
Okay, say hi. Welcome to Deb's Greenhouse. My name's Alex. I'm Liv. And then this is
Yes.
my planter.
You're gonna
Okay?
introduce yourself?
I'll
Yes.
say I'm
Okay,
okay.
yes. Awesome.
Ready? Set. Go.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I got a little audience. I feel so cute. Okay. Hi, I'm Alex. We're at Deb's Greenhouse, and this is.
I'm Liv.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Hey everyone, we're back. No, I messed up. Dude, I just have the need
Hey
to say.
everyone, it's Ryder and Tyler. We're back with part 3 of the planter video.
Okay. Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
Hi everyone, it's from Easton's Greenhouse. He's always so funny.
You are funny.
Hey everyone, this is Ryder and Tyler. We're back with part 3 of our planner videos.
Today we're doing a.
God damn.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, I'll say it. Thank you guys so much for watching our video and watching us make these two no, why did I keep saying
I don't
It's my bad habit. It's my like you know how you have like one word that you like resort to when you don't know what to say?
Like?
That's
Like.
alright.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching us make
cut that.
okay.
Okay.
I'll go check out
Go
the
check out
last
the other video, link in description. Alright, for our last piece, we got the Sweet Carolina Red Hawk. It's a Ipomea hybrid.
It does. And we're done another video. So thanks, Easton. That was fun.
You're welcome.
So goodbye from Deb's Greenhouse.
Bye from Easton's Greenhouse.
You're funny.
I know!
We gotta alternate when we're talking. Because I can't look at you in there without laughing.
No, we have
Like,
we both have to do-
seriously look at me.
like. Alright. Dude.
I don't.
The plant, guys.
Oh, the first flower that we're gonna be going in with is called. Oh my gosh. I can't pronounce that.
Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got.
And Michael.
This is sick. This is my favorite one.
What?
Okay. Sorry.
I did swear.
Oh my god, sorry, Deb.
I swore there.
It's okay.
Yeah. That's our vibe. We are
I waved like 8 times. Okay. Cut that out, Deb. That was not it. Okay, ready? Are we?
keep
good?
waving. Keep
Say thanks for watching.
Okay,
Bye.
thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Oh my god.
I waved like literally 4 times.